Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. In this week, we have posted videos almost every day because of the situation across the world. So, I thought of giving you some levels which I have already disclosed in our opening view note today and advising you to mark those levels and stay calm, at least that levels are giving off on the lower side. Because this kind of fall is quite unexpected. Everyone thought that there will be a fall till 16,500 and it happened. Yesterday we expected market to close above 16,500 but unfortunately it drifted 2 points below that level and then closed over there. So this technical breakdown is suggesting as a further fall which is followed by today. Okay. There is some attack by Russian forces on some um, nuclear power plant of Ukraine. So that caused the trouble right now. See, every day they are creating one other something or the other in as a trouble, some problem in markets. So this created fresh jitters to the world, and everything fell down. Nasdaq yesterday fell down almost 2%, and there is a follow up today in Nasdaq futures as well. And as a result, today morning we saw at one stage I saw Nifty SGX Nifty showing 16,003. I was literally shocked. What happened? Maybe that was a panic low which created today morning just at opening by 6:40 a.m. Okay, so now we are in a better shape. Um, let's see where XGX is. See over here, 16,002, 16,003 was the low today, and we have already climbed more than 250 points from there. But this was not sustaining for even 1 minute. It was a free kilo just because of the panicness surrounded by all markets across Asia. So it also fell down drastically at opening and then punched this level and then came up immediately. Now for us, our markets, like we discussed in our Telegram channel last day, we have supports. We had not have we had we had supports at 16,356 and 16,203 levels. But the first support is going to decisively taken out today, and then the second support comes into play. Second support, it will be a make or break zone, because if that is broken and we are sustaining below that second support zone of 16,204, we will easily see 16,000 mark, and that is very key for everyone to sustain. If 16,000 is gone, then we have no other go. We are supposed to touch 15,555. So definitely we will be in trouble if we are closing below 16,000 mark. So that is the reason I think that SGX also punched a low near 16,000 and then came back again. Okay. So now um, taking trades based on this is secondary, but we people have few longs in market already, and as long as the 16,200 mark holds, I would suggest nothing to panic. We have all the chance to come up, maybe not drastically, but at least our losses will get reduced, will get reduced a bit. Okay, we will. I would not say at current stage. I would not say that we will. Our positions will come into profits and we will be able to make profits. Let me speak the reality. At current situation, we will not be able to say that particular stuff. But if 16,200 holds, we will be hovering in between this range 16,200 to 16,800 range until 9th of March, next 4 days. On 10th of March, we have 5 state election results, and one major state election results which everyone is looking forward is UP, because it is history that the person who holds UP will be sitting in center in the upcoming parliamentary election. So UP holds a key. So on this case, if by any chance BJP is maintaining and they are able to hold UP, it will be a boost for our Indian markets alone. In between, we don't know what will happen across the world, but on 10th of March, our show will be unique based on the UP results. But on the other hand, if UP is being captured by Akhilesh or some other party, maybe not some other party, either Akhilesh has to come or um, I mean BJP has to come again. Okay, only two parties over there. Two fight between only two parties. BSP is not at all in the picture actually. So if Akhilesh comes into picture, or there is something like hung session, hung assembly, then it will create some jitteriness for our markets, which may lead to further fall from where we close on 9th of March. So let's not worry about 9th of March or 10th of March right now. For today, at least maintain patience until we are breaking 16,200 levels and sustaining below that particular level at least for 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, if we are sustaining below 16,200 for 10 minutes or so, then we will decide about exiting the positions. Until that time, please maintain patience. Let us see how it is going, because serious bottoms are will be created only when panicness is at the extreme level. Okay. So if you remember, even last week, that is on February expiry day, Nifty fell down drastically, and on that day only at morning 8:30 a.m. our time, Russia declared war against this Ukraine. Okay, that was a panic situation, and we fell down drastically, and that bottom was holding for the next 5 days. So if we are taking support at 16,200 levels and climbing higher means there is a good chance that we will see 16,800 again. There is a good chance. Okay, if I say, if you want to say me in percentage terms, maybe 75% chances are there, that 75 to 80% chances are there that we will revisit the levels of 16,800 if 16,200 is not broken and closing below that particular level. So as of now, stay with patience, and based on this, I will suggest you one trade. If you people are willing to take a risk and trade only in one lot, then go for it, because trading multiple lots at this situation is like a gamble. So I suggest everyone, if you are willing to trade on this one, take only one lot and seriously maintain the levels which I am saying. Okay, it will be 16,500 call of Nifty. Yesterday's close is 267.05. If we are seeing Nifty moving towards 16,210 or 200 to 225 levels, 16,200 to 225 levels, I mean to say the spot Nifty. Okay, if we are able to see that particular level, just take a long over here, 16,500 call. Probably if that level comes, might be this position would be hovering between 140 or maybe even little bit lower, maybe 140 to 160. based on the VIX. If VIX is moving on the higher direction, this will not also fall drastically. It will also have a limited fall. But if VIX is cooling and market is drifting lower, then we will see a better price somewhere near 140 or lower. If that level comes, take a trade, and then the stop loss which you have need to maintain over here is if Nifty closes below 16,200 on a 15-minute time frame. 5 5 to 10 minutes will be okay. Let's be a bit aggressive. Even if Nifty closes below 16,200 in 15 minutes time frame, please exit. No matter how much you have lost. Say for example, you have bought it at 140 and the position goes for a toss and Nifty breaks 16,200, and if it is sustaining below 16,200 and 15 minutes closes below 16,200 means then your position, if it goes to 70 also, please square off. Don't hold it, because there are 90% chances we will go and touch 16,000. Okay, so don't take a huge risk. Trade with only one lot and trade as per levels given. Okay, hope this levels is clear and it may give you some energy or some hopes, saying that there is a chance for markets to bounce back. It may not be a permanent bounce back, but it will be a temporary bounce back wherein 16,800 will get sold into again. Okay, and at the same time, if you have taken position, if our levels come and if you have taken a position at 140 or 150 levels means, you can exit if you get 50% or 75% profits if you want to stay safe. And if you want to play it as a gamble, keep holding till 9th of March, because since election results are ahead, and 16,200 if it is holding means we will see this easily going up to 16,800 levels. In such case, this position will easily go to 350 odd levels. There are many ifs in this uh, levels. So please follow accordingly. However, whatever the situation may be, I will send calls in our Telegram channel as well as in our premium group. Hence, no worries. The only thing is Telegram channel members will not have targets. The premium members will have targets. Okay. Stay safe. Have a good day. See you all in the next video. Bye for all now.